Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the ASX buzzing stocks of the day. Australian shares opened higher on Tuesday in line with Wall Street's overnight surge. The ASX 200 index was up by 0.2% to 7,473 points. The Aussie dollar was steady at 70.3 US cents and block jumped 7% following a strong session for tech stocks on Wall Street overnight. Myer also climbed 6.5% with the company reporting that total sales jumped by 24.8% in the 5 months up until December 31st compared to the prior corresponding period. Kogan was flat after announcing that gross sales were down 32.5% in the half year to December 31st on the prior year. And Karoon Resources dropped 3.3% after reporting its quarterly results. Let's now take a look at some business news from the morning session, beginning with Evolution Mining. Evolution Mining jumped 1.8% at the open, and it remains on track to deliver financial year 23 production and cost guidance, with planned quarterly performance weighted to the second half of the year. The company produced 166,404 ounces in the December quarter, up 3% on the prior quarter. It also produced 15,483 tonnes of copper, which was 7% higher than the September quarter. Evolution's all-in sustaining costs reduced by 27% to $1,099 an ounce. In another release, Evolution announced the appointment of Barry van der Merwe as Chief Financial Officer. Van der Merwe most recently held the role of Vice President Group Finance at Orica. Moving on, and Karoon Energy also rose 1.2% at the open. It produced 2.08 million barrels of oil from the Baúna Field in the Santos Basin in Brazil in the December quarter. Oil sales for the quarter were 1.95 million barrels. The average net realised oil price of $81.74 a barrel was 15% lower than in the prior quarter, in line with the decline in global oil prices. While Karoon kept production guidance unchanged, its forecast for unit production costs, other operating costs, unit depreciation, depletion and amortisation and capital costs for the Baúna intervention and Patola project were all reduced. And lastly, Sandfire Resources also opened the session up by 0.1%. It's maintained its production guidance for the 2023 financial year, and the company produced 20,031 tonnes of copper in the December quarter. It also produced 19,755 tonnes of zinc, 1,921 tonnes of lead, and 4,562 ounces of gold. Sandfire's cash holdings at the end of the quarter were $263.7 million with net debt of $378.3 million. Alright, that's all for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks of the Day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow, but until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.